Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking 2 types of Italian bread in the air fryer using canned biscuits. So come on in and let me show you how it's done. For both of these recipes, you will need canned biscuit dough, butter, olive oil, and dried parsley, basil, and garlic powder. For the second recipe, you'll need your favorite shredded cheese. Our first recipe is garlic knots. Start by cutting out a tinfoil circle with handles. This will make it easier to pull the bread out of the air fryer. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. To that, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix together your butter, herbs, and oil. This smells so good, y'all. Cut your biscuit dough in half. Take your half and then roll it. Perfect. Once your biscuit dough is long and thin, twist it at both ends. Now, form it into a knot. See how easy this was? I know you can do it too. You'll do this for the rest of the can. Place your tin foil in the air fryer basket. Roll your knots in the seasoning and place them in the air fryer. Make sure they don't touch. Cook at 360 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes or until done. Flip your knots halfway through cooking. Now we'll let the air fryer finish cooking these beauties. Don't these garlic knots look wonderful? They're golden brown on both sides. Taste test on the garlic knots. These taste great. Stay tuned, y'all. There's another recipe in this video. Our second recipe is stuffed cheese garlic rolls. Yum. Take your canned biscuit dough and cut it into 4 pieces. Flatten your dough into a little disc. Use a floured rolling pin to thin out your dough. For your cheese stuffed bread, it's as simple as taking your flattened dough, spooning a little oil mixture on it, add 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese. Now seal it up into a nice little pocket. Pinch, 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 pinch. You want to make sure that this is well sealed. And then roll. Roll in the herbed butter mixture. I'm going to place these in the air fryer basket now. Just like with our first recipe, you will cook these at 360 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes. Don't forget to flip your rolls halfway through to ensure proper cooking. Your stuffed cheese garlic buns will be extremely hot when they come out of the air fryer. Use tongs to remove them from the fryer and make sure they cool before you bite into them. Who's ready to see some melty cheese? I wish y'all could smell just how amazing this is with the butter and the herbs, and look at that stringy melty cheese. Let's have a taste. These are really good, y'all. These Italian dinner rolls turned out fantastic. I think you're really going to like these recipes. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you'd like me to cook next. I've got a notebook full of all your recipes and I'm going through them one by one, so you never know when I'm going to try your recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Good wishes, good health, and good night.